Welcome to our series on trigonometry of compound angles. Here is a very important question from test point of view. We are given tan A equals to 2.4, tan B equals to 7.5, and A is between 0 to pi, B is between pi to 2 pi. We need to find what is sine A minus B. You can always pause the video, answer the question. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we have playlists with thousands of videos arranged for you absolutely free to master strategies. Now, let's look into the solution of this problem. So, when I say that tan A is 2.4, it means what? Let's try to understand. And A is between 0 to pi. It is positive, right? So, tan A is 0.4, which is positive. It really means that A is in quadrant 1. Okay. Now, 2.4 really means 24 over 10. Think like this, which you can reduce and write as 12 over 5 dividing by 2. It means we are looking into a triangle whose sides are 12 and 5. For an angle A. Third side will be 12 square plus 5 square square, which you know is 30. 144 plus 25, 169 square root. So once you know that, you know what is sine A, which is 12 over 13, positive. You know what is cos A, which is 5 over 13. Makes sense, right? So simple as that. That is how we are going to approach. Very simple approach, nothing complicated. Similarly, let's look into tan B. So there you go, tan B equals to 0.75. Means 3 over 4. Tan B is in which quadrant? Tan B is in quadrant 3 because we are talking about pi and 2 pi. So we have a triangle which is, let me make one triangle here, 3 over 4. So this angle is B. 3 opposite 4 and hypotenuse will be 5. Correct. So now we can write what is sine B equals to. Sine B is 3 over 5. Since you are in quadrant 3, right, negative. And cos B is negative 4 over 5. Now this is important to understand. Sine A and cos B, sine B and cos B are going to be negative. Sine A and cos A will be positive. Because now you are in quadrant 1 for A and for 3 for B you are in quadrant 3. Now you need to find sine A minus B. Sine A minus B. Apply the formula sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Substitute the values. Sine A 12 over 13. Cos B is negative 4 over 5 minus cos A is 5 over 13. Sine B is negative 3 over 5. So we'll end up with, you can simplify this, right? So 13 times 5 is the common denominator, minus 48 over 13 times 5, 5 times 3, 15, and 65. Here we have minus and minus becomes plus, 5 times 3 is 15 over 65. Is that clear to you? Now you can do the math. Minus is going to be the answer. 48 minus 15 will give you 33. So therefore, sin A minus B is equal to minus 33 over 65. Makes sense, right? So I hope you have understood each and every step here. Simple as that. Understand where A lies, where B lies. A is in quadrant 1, B in quadrant 3. Make your triangles, that is best. Understand from the triangles sine and cosine values. If you are in quadrant 1, both are positive. If you are in quadrant 3, both are negative. And then you know the formula for sin A minus B, which is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. And in this particular formula, substitute the values which you just found. Simplify to get the answer. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you want to learn directly from me, send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.